What's your favorite? What did you want? What did you want? What did you pa? Mami to me. What did you continue? Why? What for continue pa? You can see. Sister Kutu. So this is our final product of what you guys requested for, yeah, the Krobo food. Kokonte with hot pepper. Basically, this food normally goes with soup, and today we have pepper for it. Wow. Wow.
Koko sabula.
Sabula.
Koke bla.
Kabla.
Hey.
Sabula kabla.
Okay. Kepi oko akote kuyi oni. Hey. Oko akote kuyi. Afena udi kokote. Bayi mlam ne kuela. Ne kuela ne kojo.
Okay.
Ne kuela ne kojo.
Guy. Yeah, guy. Wow. Hello brothers, sisters, how you doing? This is your boy. Okay, we see that I'm back again. Yeah, so as we requested, they said they want to see how the Kokonte with pepper is done. It's like Krobo Ada food, the favorite food in Ada and Krobo, yeah? Yeah, so we need to go inside the porch because it's raining and yeah, we need to run inside and do the thing over there inside the porch. But also for them, Akutu, yeah, so this is Sister Akutu and typical Ada lady. So we have our shallot onion over here, we have fresh green and red pepper. We have mix 6, yeah, this is mix 6 and
Wala ne pe luo ne pe sama kolo isu ne kwala nyamewa.
Okay, yalewa. That means I say no ording, person ording, right? What no ording, yeah.
Because pe sama.
And say an ording. Okay, I know ording, yeah. So basically, because of we are eating this with Kokonte, the pepper has to be spicy. When your other is spicy, yeah. So only 2 tomatoes against 4 pepper, and we have shallots, onions inside as well. Yeah, so this is the pepper, and this is our Kokonte. We have the water on fire boiling. Yeah, very soon the Kokonte will come, and. So this is the sieving because we want smooth Kokonte and we are sieving with our sieve. Yeah, so now the pepper is ready and very soon we go to the Kokonte and yeah, we do justice to it. So this food will be like a total of 20 minutes to prepare if you have everything on set. Yeah, so this is how we roast or reheating our fish. I want to go home. Wrong. Okay. So she added salt to the onion just to wash it. To make that cleansing. Yeah. Our fish is also on fire and it's blazing up. Fire blazing. This is a typical local food and record. So she's pressing it for the fish to absorb the liquid from the pepper, yeah? So you first put inside the sauce for it to absorb. Then you take it out and you separate it, or you put it in a different plate. So this is a friend requested video, and people want to see how this food is done. Kokonte with hot pepper and fish. And I got to understand that they have the fish. They have different 3 types. They have the fried one, they have the smoked, and the fresh fish. And all these 3 types of fish can be served with the kokonte. So today we'll be using the smoked one, the salmon. It's not even salmon, it's a mackerel. Because when I say salmon, people come after me, hey, it's not salmon, it's called mackerel. Yeah, so mackerel with kokonte with hot pepper. Yeah, that's what we're doing. It's a typical Krobo food, and we have our mom over here, Sister Kutu. Anka Orange, that's the English name. Yeah, our sister Orange over here. She's taking us through the process. We've done the sauce now. It's about to do the kokonte. So this is the water, and this is the dry cassava flour. We just sieved it, and it's about to go down. Orokodo. Is a. What's your favorite one? What did you want? What did you want? What did you pa? Mami tu. Where do you continue? Why? What for continue? Pa, you can see. Sister Kutu. Okay. Makubanku. Where the banku? Open side of me. No, banku ni kukonte. Where ni banku? Open banku. Open we see banku. Oh, okay. Because who from the facial expression there? It's brown. We have our flour inside the water. Yeah, so the measurements, mostly in Africa we don't use measurements. Everything is done by calculation or the number of people that's going to eat. So we just do our proportion by ourselves. Yeah, so this is our Gigi, Dog Reverse, Chris Brown, Face the Wall, and Rokodo. Okay, so okay, so she just added a bit of oil inside the cup because she doesn't want the food to be sticking inside the bowl, or what's it? Is that bowl or cup? The mini cup. So now it's ready, and the division. Wow, searching. Hello, brothers, sisters. Yeah, so we're done with our kokonte with hot pepper and friend. Yeah, so this is our final product of what you guys requested for. Yeah, the Krobo food, kokonte with hot pepper. So as you all know, make justice to it. As a tasty man, okay, so we have the salt here. If the taste is not sufficient, it's not enough in the pepper, then you add more. So let me taste to see. Okay, oh yeah, God knows our hearts. Father Lord, amen, amen. Yeah, so basically this food normally goes with soup, and today we have pepper for it. Wow. Trying. Pepper. What's that easy? Easy.
Wait, mama. Wait, mama.
Yeah, fish. This is. Yeah. So.
Hey, if you are going to take you, hey. Kopo kompe o ma blalu ke kwala ke no vekla esabola. Kaka nyete.
Wow. And I understand why you guys has been pressuring me to come and do this video. The guy. Wow. The guy.
Yeah, Koko Polo.
The guy.
Yeah.
Wow.
Koko wo sabola.
Sabola.
Koko bla.
Kabla.
Hey.
Sabola kabla.
Okay. Ke pio ko akote ku iyo ni. Hey. Loko ko akote ku afela odi ko kote.
Yeah, so if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, share, tell a friend, tell a brother that I'm in the Krobo land, I'm in that land and Orkodo, yeah? So subscribe, tell notification bell so be notified when new video drops. Follow us on Facebook as well. You can check other videos in the description box as well. Or the top right corner, yeah? There's a link over there, you can also click to have more videos to watch. Yeah, so let's meet again for Shizzle and Nizzle, cooking with Sindaco. It's costing African food, especially Ghana. Yeah, Orkodo. I'm out. Okay.
Ne